So with this nail, I'm going to show you how to do a round nail. So I have prepped and dehydrated the nail and done the cuticles prior to this video. So when doing a round nail, you're going to make sure that you're level and that you are not over filing. So you're going to work from one side and almost count in your head 1, 2, 3, and then you go, I'm going to go onto the other side again, 1, 2, 3. That way you know that your shape's going to be equal on both sides. Most of the time people do get file happy, and what they end up with is one side coming in further than the other one, so your shape's just going to go off par. So I'm just going to use a 180 file, and around you're going to make sure that you're using the half moon shape. So this is going to be under the nail. Okay, so starting from the side walls, 1, 2, 3, and then go onto the other side doing the same, and then back and forth onto the other. So you can see the edges are coming in. And I'm just joining the two together. Until I'm satisfied with my basic shape. And make sure we've got no on the bits. And dust off. And that's just going to be my shape for now, and then I'm going to finalise the shape once I've done the acrylic application. So using Covered Peach, and the Halo acrylic liquid, cuticle bead first. Using the tip of the brush to push to the cuticle. Make sure you don't get the acrylic on the skin. And using the belly of the brush to move the rest of the product. So apex bead. A little bit more on the edge of the nail. So to finishing off this shape, use 2 files, a 150 and a 180. The 180 is going to be around side walls, cuticle, and the 150 is going to go all over the rest. Okay, so it's good to go. So I'm going to use the straight edge first of all. Go down the side walls. And I'm going to use the 1/2 mil around the cuticle. So you go around the cuticle in one direction. And then with the 150, I'm going up the nail. To the centre. And then same again on this side. And then joining the two together. Always feel as well to make sure it's nice and smooth. Just going to get rid of the strays underneath with the buffing block. And good stuff. Right, so finalising the shape. Same again, 1/2 mil underneath. And I'm making sure I'm filing the same amount of time on one side to another. And then joining the two to give it the shape. And there you go, your rounded shape.